Hello, my dear ones. It's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I'm coming on to share some more happy mails. It is a couple days after Christmas now. We got a huge snowstorm here in the Pacific Northwest, and then I had company. So it's been a busy few days, but I am home today, and I have happy mails that I still need to share from Carolyn Vega, I think from Tammy. And this one is from Amador, and a card that I got from my sweet friend Sue Lely. So I wanted to show you this one too. If you don't follow Sue Lely on Instagram and on her blog, she's wonderful, and she does a lot of design work using Prima products. So it says, wishing you peace, love, and joy. And I just love this little Santa image. These beautiful papers, and hand stamped by Sue Lely. Isn't that beautiful? So I wanted to share that card from Sue. Thank you, Sue, and I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And then this next thing that I'm going to share, I'll set that aside here so I have some room. This is a gift from my sweet friend Amador, and I will link Amador's information down below. Many of you that have been on YouTube for a long time, you know who Amador is. And Amador's Crafts and Kits, I think, is what his call sign is on Instagram. But I'll link everything down below. And Amador is a longtime friend of mine, and we both love Christmas. And he sent me a very personalized gift, and I wanted to come on and share what he sent. And he got a wonderful new machine called a Glowforge, and some of you might know what that is. I have not had the pleasure of seeing one or using one yet, but Amador knows how much I love the LOTV DigiShop stamp images, especially the Christmas ones for all of my Christmas tags. And he made me something really special using that Glowforge machine. He purchased the LOTV DigiShop tags, and he purchased the new ones, and he had the old ones because we've all used them for years. And anyway, he took this Glowforge machine, and he basically made the tags out of wood for me. And this is a personal gift that he sent just to me. It's not something that he would do regularly, but he did it because he knows how much I love them. And he had gotten this new machine and he wanted to try it out. So he took all those beautiful tag stamps from LOTV, and he made these wonderful tags out of wood. And they're just so sweet. So I'm so excited to have these, and touched beyond words that he did this for me. Each one is so special and so beautiful. The artwork that Layla, oh my gosh, I can't remember, did on these was tremendous. And a lot of these were things that I had wanted in tags, specifically about hot cocoa and baking. Hot chocolate is like a hug from the inside. Baking spirits bright. And Lisa and her did such a beautiful job pulling these beautiful stamps together. So he sent me an entire bag of the ones from that set. And there's a ton of them here. Amador, my heart, I have no words, Amador. And he just was telling me about the machine one day, and he said, I have a surprise for you I'm going to send to you. And the next thing I know, this package shows up in my mail. And he was just experimenting with this brand new machine that he got, and what he could do with it for his own use. And here are the Christmas sentiment tags, which you guys know I've been using these for years and years and years. And these are the original Christmas sentiment ones. So, oh, Christmas tree, Christmas hugs, it's Christmas time, merry and bright. And so he just took the stamp sets and made all of these tags. Isn't that wonderful, you guys? It's just so sweet. Noel, Jingle Bells, Christmas hugs, festive cheer. So all of the different ones that they have, cozy and warm, which everyone always says to me, but Jill, cozy is spelled wrong. It's supposed to be C-O-Z-Y. And I always say, but isn't it charming that it's spelled that way? I just think it's cute. Woolly mittens, and then snow is falling, which is what's been happening in Seattle here. So just beautiful, beautiful. I'm so honored that you sent these to me, Amador, that you took the time to go through and make these and send me them as a gift, as a personal gift. I'm just touched beyond words. And then if that wasn't enough, you guys, wait till I show you what's in here. He had asked me what my favorite ones were, and I told him the ones that I used the most. And he took the ones that I told him, and he made me separate bags just of those specific ones. So the ones that I tend to use the most are Christmas Hugs, Christmas Angel. So Christmas Angel. And then Christmas Tree. I use that on all my tree tags. And then the other one is just the Merry Christmas, which I use on a lot of things. So he made me an individual bag of each one of those. And then he also made me a bag of just blank ones so that I could actually stamp onto these if I want with a sentiment. So very, very sweet. Amador, I have no words, sweetheart. You are just the sweetest friend, and I hope that you and Nathan had a beautiful Christmas. I had actually hoped to film this beforehand, I did get it, I think, right Christmas Eve day or something. I can't remember. And I had hoped to film it sooner, but I just haven't been able to get to it, you guys, and I've been fighting a migraine again. So today's the first day. I still have a headache, but it's not as bad today. So I thought I would come on and do this really quick. And then the other thing he sent is this wonderful little cookie and milk board that you can leave oh my gosh, I can't talk, that you can set out on Christmas Eve to leave cookies and treats for the Grinch and Max. And I just thought this was so cute. And if you guys don't already know this, Amador and his sister, they have a company called Lilsistersbakery. And you can follow it on Instagram at this particular name, Lilsistersbakery, YLV. And that is their feed on Instagram. And I will try and link things down below. But they were mailing these out, and they were mailing them with the cookies and the dog bone cookies for Max. So all the stuff you needed to set it out on the board for Christmas Eve. And I just thought this was such a cute idea. Just adorable. And I love how they followed the patterns that were in the film. So it's just adorable. And I hope you guys will go check out their bakery and all the wonderful things that they have there. So Amador, Merry Christmas to you and Nathan and your entire family. Amador, like me, has a very large family, and I feel very simpatico with him when we chat about stuff. So I wish all of your family a Merry Christmas and many, many blessings in 2022. And I just am so very touched that you thought of me and remembered me at Christmas. And I just have no words. You guys all touch me so much. And this community, all the comments I read from everybody, from Kay, from Linda, from, Little Bit Crafty 91, Sue Crozier, Patty, Christine, all the way from Africa, wished me a Merry Christmas. There's so many of you that have been following me for years and years and years, and I know I don't always mention everybody by name, but I read all your comments, and it means so much. And all your wishes of, a Merry Christmas and blessings in the new year are so appreciated. And I just want to say how much this community means to me. So, Amador, blessings and hugs, sweet friend. Everybody have a wonderful day, and I'm going to come back and film some more Happy Mail. All right, bye now.